Hi YouTube family, welcome to our channel. Today I will be making a sweet crunchy treat. If you're new to our channel, we would like to welcome you to the family. If you like our videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. Always remember, subscribing doesn't cost anything. All it does is notify you when we upload new videos. For today's recipe, we will be using flour, baking powder, butter, cardamom, grated cinnamon, grated nutmeg, sugar, coconut, and also some whole milk. I had previously added my flour into the bowl. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my spices. I'm adding the baking powder, the cardamom, the nutmeg, and the ground cinnamon. By adding these spices, it adds flavor to the flour. I will now mix it to distribute my spices evenly. I'll add the butter. I will use my fingers to rub the butter into the flour. I'll add my essence. And lastly, I'll add the special ingredients, the coconut. And I'll mix this all together. And all this spice flavor is smelling so good right now. Now I'll add my milk gradually, and then I'll squeeze in all my mixture to form a dough. I'll grab them from all the corners and fold it in. Now at this point, I will keep kneading my dough so all my ingredients can melt in evenly. I will now go ahead and divide my dough into 3 parts. And I'll make them into some round balls. My dough out before I roll it up. When rolling your dough out, you want it to be a 1/4 inch thick. This would make your mithai very crunchy. I'll cut my dough into tiny strips before placing them into the hot oil. This is going to help the mithai to be very crunchy. I will now go ahead and place the thin dough into the hot oil to fry. And I'll use my spoon to separate them so they would not stick to each other. This is what it looks like when it's frying in the oil. My dough is getting brown, so I'll keep turning so they all can fry evenly and also get the golden brown color. This is what the mithai look like after I fried it. Now I will turn to make the syrup. I will pour my water into the pot. sugar. And I'll let this come to a boil. My syrup is boiling and it's getting to be that sticky consistent. I'll now add cardamom and I'll add some essence. I'll let it cook for a little more to get that sticky crystal consistent before I pour it on the mithai. My syrup comes to that sticky crystal consistent. I'll go ahead and pour it on my mithai. Once I do that, I'll keep turning like this until the syrup turns crystal on the mithai. Looking very nice. So this is the result of the mithai. Look at it. Very nicely done. I will now go ahead and try one of the mithai. It is so crunchy, so flavorful. I should definitely try this recipe. I will leave the recipe in the description down below. Give it a try and leave in the comments if you like this recipe.